Rising passenger numbers place high demands on the aviation industry, stress public acceptance, and impede governmental approval. This desire for growth and a need to protect the environment presents us with a difficult challenge. At airports, onboard APUs provide aircraft on the ground with needed electrical power and air conditioning. APUs are major contributors to air and noise pollution. Thanks to IST's unique stationary system, which supplies the aircraft with both 400 Hz power and preconditioned air, these APUs are turned off. The future starts with our aircraft ground energy system, Aegis.
The oil crisis of the 70s, as well as operational, financial and ecological considerations, initially heightened Swissair's desire to save fuel. This desire was further enhanced by the very demanding Swiss Clean Air Act of 1985. The sustainable development of the airport finally led us to seek solutions in energy efficiency by close cooperation with professional partners.
In cooperation with 7Air, IST offers a self-contained air conditioning unit. They are built in accordance with individual requirements, designed to provide sub-freezing temperatures down to -25 degrees Celsius, and well suited to accommodate the full range of hot and humid weather conditions that may prevail. A bridge-mounted telescopic tube transfers conditioned air along the bridge from the rotunda to the air hose. The stainless steel pipe is extremely stable, robust, and basically maintenance-free. The exceptionally smooth surfaces and unique insulation keep pressure and temperature losses to a minimum. The hose reel at the end of each bridge ensures easy winding and unwinding of the hose. Fabricated entirely of stainless steel, the reel ensures consistent, durable, and virtually maintenance-free operation. 400 Hz generators provide uninterrupted power supply to the aircraft on the ground prior to safe shutdown of its engines after docking.
The substantial benefit achieved is the result of a combination of factors. The high technical availability enables system reliability perceived by the pilot. Air handling systems and electrical power are integrated into the existing infrastructure. We have operational restrictions in place which are consistently enforced. The efficient and reliable services provided by the handling agents, as well as the ease of maintenance for operating personnel, are very important. Previously stated factors considered, the system can be adapted easily to other airports with equal success. I believe that in this regard, Zurich Airport is very advanced worldwide and maintains a dominant position. Without these systems, the pollution-relevant NOx emissions at the airport, including aircraft, handling and infrastructure, would be about 20% higher. The APU's CO2 emissions are reduced by about 90%, which corresponds to approximately 65,000 tons of carbon dioxide, or the equivalent of that which is produced by 10,000 people annually in Switzerland. Finally, we have much less operating noise on the apron.
Airports, airlines, society, and the environment all benefit from the implementation of the Aegis stationary energy system. Airports can recover both their investment and operating costs through a system of fees applied to airlines. Airlines profit by saving around 90% of the fuel normally used by the APU. Lower fuel consumption means lower emissions of CO2 and other pollutants. The noise level on the ramp is correspondingly reduced, providing significant benefit to the population located around the airport. Invest in Swiss quality. Invest in the future with IST. Inox Steel Technology, a legacy for future generations.